So this is my daily analysis. Today is Monday, 25th of March, 2024. So this is my analysis. If you watch what I did on Saturday, I kind of explained that market was here on Saturday, and I told you guys that if you take out this low, I might look for a sell because of this zone, and I still say that I would like to see take out this high and reject from this one, which market did. You can see that it took out this high, almost took out this one, and almost getting to this level, but it didn't hit it. So right now, I will be looking for sell. I would like to see gold take out this low. If you take out this low and reject, I will sell it. This particular low, let take it out and respect and come back to it. I will sell it, and my stop will be here. Short stop will be here. uh Stop will be here. I know if I'm using here as my stop loss, it will be like 150 pips, and if I'm using here, it will be like 85 pips. So I'm still contemplating. I'm still thinking whether if I'm going to use this level, I'm going to use this level. But I don't want in a situation whereby if I use this level as my stop loss to come and take me out and continue dropping. That's what I don't really want. So I might end up using this zone, this level as my stop loss, so I can be able to give it room to breathe, to do whatever you want to do, because it can easily come back to this level and take you out and continue going down. So that's why I might consider using this high, so it will have enough room to breathe. So if I'm using this high, then we have to do set and forget. So whenever I get our TP, we close it out. So this is what I might do using this one. If I'm using this one, then I'll be targeting 1 to 2, which will be on this particular level. But if I'm using this one, then my 1 to 2 will be somewhere here. 1 to 2 will be somewhere here. So, or you can still make your own choice. Choose where you will, as in where you will put your own stop loss. If go take out this low, guys. So this is the 4 hours time frame. Let's check 4 hours time frame. So really, you guys can see that this buy that I talked about, or this zone I marked out last week, is still valid because gold have not done change of character for sell on this 4 hours time frame. You can see that it has not taken out this low. So to buy gold is still valid. But right now, the confirmation I'm seeing now is sell. But to buy gold is still valid. So if I say gold here and it fell, it didn't go through, then I will look for buy, because gold is currently on support level right now, and also these zones are the resistance level again for sell. So but now I'm seeing sell confirmation first, so I'm taking a sell if you fully confirm. But if this sell didn't confirm fully and I see a complete buy confirmation, I will take a buy, because gold is also on this support level to buy, and there is also a resistance level here to sell. But right now, I'm taking the sell first if I see complete confirmation. But if I didn't see and I later see a complete confirmation for buy, I will take a buy, guys. So let's see how this confirmation will play out anyone that completes first, I go with it. So this is GBP USD and this is daily time frame. You can see that it's going down. Daily time frame, as I said on Friday, this change of character with shadow here. And I'm expecting it to come back to this zone before it continue going down again. But I don't know whether I can be able to get to this particular zone. But let's watch out because there is also a resistance levels here. You guys can see it. That can still pull it down. But let's just see. But I'm expecting it to come to this zone because there is a lot of imbalances here. So I'm expecting to close this imbalance. So this is the 4 hours time frame. You can see that it's kind of ranging in 4 hours time frame already. So if GBP USD take out this low, then I will expect it to come to somewhere here and start dropping. So if you take out this low, then I will start looking on this. I think I can be able to mark this in very well on daily time frame. But if you take out this low, then I'll start looking at this zone to sell. I'll not look at this zone to sell again. Then I'll start looking at this particular zone to take a sell, which I'll start looking at this zone to take a sell. So if you take out this low, then if you take out this low and come back, if you take out this low and come back to this zone, guys, I'll start looking for a sell on the GBP USD, but it has not done it yet. But if you didn't take out this low and go to this resistance, then I will look for a sell from here, guys. So this is 15 minutes time frame. Right now, it's not really doing anything on this 15 minutes time frame. I'm deleting this, guys. It's kind of ranging right now. It's not really doing anything. So me, I'm not going to do anything or take any trade on this GBP USD until it take out this low or go back to this for me to be able to take a trade. Take out this low, then I will use this level. Let me delete this. So let it take out this low, then I will use this zone. Look at this zone. I'll use this zone or to somewhere here. So I'll use this zone to look for a sell. If you take out this low and come back to this zone, then I'll look for a sell, guys. But let's see whether it will take out this low or it will go to this. But if you eventually go to this, then I will look for a sell here and definitely I know it will drop. So this is what I'm looking at for now on GBP USD. So let's see the one that is going to do. Let's see the one that is going to do, guys. And this is gold. As I said before, let's watch out this low. Let it take out this low. If we take out this low, then we are going for a sell, guys. And this week, let me see if you have any important news. There is no news today. Definitely, there will not be a news. There is no news today. And tomorrow, they will have only consumer confidence. And on Wednesday, we have news by 11 p.m. Don't usually have, okay, 11 p.m. At night. Okay, okay. This is not a strong news. Actually, this week, we don't, okay. Then we have final GDP by 1:30 on Thursday. Okay, this one is a strong news. And this pending home sales is also a strong news. And on Friday, we have core PCE price index. Actually, there is no actual strong news like that, as in major news. Let me use the word major news. There is no major news like that this week. So it's just all this news, they are normal news. There is no major news. No, no major news. They are just normal news. So it's just only this. What is it? Only this on Thursday news, which is this final GDP. That's the only news I would say. It's okay. It might move the market on these unemployment claims. It might move the market. But apart from these two news, the other ones, I've not seen them as they can't really move that market. I'm not sure if they can move the market. So guys, let's watch out this zone. Let's watch out this zone. Let's go take out this zone and retest so we can go for sell. But if we didn't take it out, then we might end up looking for buy, guys. So that is it. Thanks, guys, and God bless.